Welcome back everybody to Kanen Coffee. We have a Pavoni in front of us that just needed a general tune-up, which we have given it. As you can see, it's powered on. The steam overpressure valve is activated. It is up to temperature and it's ready to draw a shot. So I'm going to set this guy down about like there. Say hi, Mark.
Hey.
Alright, let's draw a shot. There's the pre-infusion, and here we go. It's nice and easy to draw. Feels real good. There we go. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of them, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to test the steam. Working really good. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We put them out every day pretty much. And thanks, Buzz, for bringing in your machine. It was a pleasure to work on. Take care, everybody.